at syempre ay magagaling sa ating magiging Sir Wilbert Valentino.
What will you tell to a friend who has been victimized of misgendering? Again, what will you tell to a friend who has been victimized of misgendering?
The first thing I would like to tell to someone who's been judged for misgendering, am I right, is it's okay. It's perfectly fine. If it's up to us on how are we going to handle every judgment coming from other people. Because at the end of this day, what really matters is ourselves. To those people who believe in us, those people who perfectly know who is our. Because ladies and gentlemen, if we were going to think of it, ang tao marami po talagang pagkakamali. Kasi minsan ang babae na pagkakamalan po nilang parte ng LGBT. At marami po sa aming parte ng LGBT na pagkakamalan po nilang tunay na babae o tunay na lalaki. Ngunit sa lamang po ang nais ko sabihin sa kanya, ito'y respetuhin mo, ito'y galangin mo. Dahil kailanman hindi po natin mapiplease ang sino man at dapat po natin respetuhin ang ating pagkakaintindihin dahil sa huli, ano man ang sabihin nila, mananatiling kang ikaw. Because always remember, no matter what judgment you may face, you may receive from other people, always believe that God created you.